Good morning, students. Now, yesterday we discussed about the some formulas are related to the concentration terms, and now I will give one worksheet to solve this problem. Is based on the various concentration terms like molality, mole fractions, then normality, etc., etc. Okay. Today we will discuss about the here. Now we discuss the solution is given to calculate the concentration term. Understood? Today we discuss the concentration is given, how to make the solutions. Understood it is? It is a very simple concept. Today we will discuss about the how to prepare the solution by using the concentration. Okay? How to prepare solution on the basis of concentration terms. Now, just for example, first of all, for solid substances, listen carefully, for solid substances. Now one example, to prepare 0.5 molar NaOH solution in 250 ml. 250 ml. लिसन केयरफुली, क्या बोल रहे हैं पे कि 0.5 मोलर NaOH का सॉल्यूशन प्रिपेयर करना है आपको 250 ml में. तो हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ NaOH इज रिक्वायर्ड? Point will be clear? That is so simple concept. So generally here it says that in 1 molar solution in 1000 ml is equal to 1 mole of solute. That is the molecular weight of solute. Simply it is कि अगर 1 molar solution 1000 ml में प्रिपेयर करना है, so you have to take 1 mole of solute in 1000 ml. Then it will be molarity will be 1. Is it clear? Molar and a molarity and molar and a molality. Okay. So अभी 1 molar solution in 1000 ml is equal to 1 mole of solutes. That is molecular weight. Suppose we say that 1 molar NaOH solution in 1000 ml is equal to molecular weight of NaOH. Corrected? Is equal to molecular weight of NaOH. So here 1 molar NaOH in 1000 ml is equal to 40 gram of NaOH. यानी आपको 1 molar NaOH in 1000 ml प्रिपेयर करना है. It required the 40 gram of NaOH. Why it is 40 gram? Because 40 gram is the molecular weight of NaOH. Is it clear? So here what will be the concentration? 0.5. So 0.5 molar NaOH in how much ml? 250 is equal to x gram. Is equal to x gram. Now x is equal to 0.5 into 40. 0.5 क्या है? मोलैरिटी into 40 into 250 upon 1000 upon. अब ये 0.5 is the molarity, 140 is the molecular mass, 250 is the volume. So here it is the 0.5 into 10. So x will be क्या आएगा? 0.5 into 10 means 10 divided by कितना होगा? 2. 0.5 into 10, that is equal to 5 grams. Now you have to write this formula. अभी यहाँ पे actually formula कैसे बनेगा ये? How to make this formula? So x क्या है आपका? Weight of substance. So weight of substance is equal to molarity जो गिवन है इंटू मॉलिक्यूलर वेट इंटू वॉल्यूम अपॉन 1000. This is the formula for to determine the weight of substance. Weight of substance, that is the small w. Because you know very well molarity is equal to small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume. तो अभी आपको molarity is given, m is given, volume is given, only you calculate w. So for that purpose here w is equal to molarity into molecular weight जो अभी हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है into volume upon same thing is here. Now suppose अगर हमें ये 5 ग्राम जो आंसर निकाला ये हमें टैली करना है, मीन्स it will be correct or wrong. So how it will be checked? Now simple formula is there. Molarity is equal to small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume. Small w कितना निकाला हमने यहाँ पे 5, small m 40, 1000 upon 250. करेक्ट? तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे 20 upon 40 means 1/2. 1/2 यानी 0.5 और इधर कितना था 0.5 means so whatever value we have to calculate it is correct. So you apply this formula. Weight of substance is equal to molarity into molecular weight into volume. Understood it is? Another one example now we take. This formula is only for solid substances, not for liquid. Next is here to prepare 0.1 molar oxalic acid solution in 500 ml of solution. Calculate weight of oxalic acid crystal. Okay, oxalic acids crystals. Any doubt? Now first of all you write the given quantity. क्या दिया है? Molarity is given. Molarity will be 0.1 molar. Volume is given and molecular weight not given, but you have to know the molecular weight of oxalic acid. It is a 126 gram. So small w, you apply the formula. Small w is equal to, or directly we write weight of oxalic acid crystals equal to weight of oxalic acid crystals is equal to the molarity into the molecular weight into volume upon the 1000. So put up this value in formula. Molarity is 0.1 molar. Then molecular weight 126 gram. Volume 500 ml upon 1000. So 0.1 into 63, 6.3 grams. 6.3 grams. Now you check this answer is correct or not. So you apply again formula. Molarity is equal to small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume. So what is the value we give already there? 6.3. Molecular weight 126. Here 1000 upon volume, how much it is? 500. So 6.3 upon 126 into 2, 12.6 upon 126, that is 1 by 10 equal to 0.1 molar. 0.1 molar. So that is a very simple concept. So this quantity जो हमने molarity निकाली है, and it asking, so if the molarity is given, to calculate the weight of substance. If the weight of substance is given, then you calculate the molarity of substance. Understood? But this formula is only applicable for the solid substances. Understood? Now we take another example for normality. Normality. Here, for the normality, one example we take. To prepare 0.01 normal KOH solution in 500 ml of solution, to calculate its weight of KOH crystals. Okay. So here the given quantity, normality, how much it is? 0.01. Then volume, it is 500 ml. Next, it is equivalent weight. Again KOH, equivalent weight of KOH. 39 plus 17 is equal to 56. After that, so you apply the formula. Weight of substance is equal to normality into equivalent weight into volume upon 1000. Normality will be 0.01, equivalent weight 56, volume 500 upon 1000. So 0.01 into 28. 0.01 into 28 is equal to how much it is? 0.28 gram. 0.28 gram. So please cross check it. Here the normality is equal to small w upon equivalent weight into 1000 upon volume. So small w will be 0.28, equivalent weight 56 into 1000 upon 500. So 0.28 into 2, it will be a 0.56 upon 56, means 1 upon 100, that is 0.01 normal. देखिए, so understood this point. For preparing the normality solution, you required the equivalent weight, and for preparing molar solution, you require their molecular weights. Understood it is? Understood or not? So that is a very simple concept. Okay. So please note down this.